Cool. Thank y'all.
Caller number 9, hanging on the line. Straighten out your spine. It's just about your time. Caller number 3. My apologies.
Oh, I'm so innocent, I'm just like a little kid. Oh, won't you please protect me? I think that's why he liked me. I think that's why you like me too, 'cause I don't know what I need. Oh, but I think just maybe I actually have a brain of my own with which to think. I don't think that I'm crazy, and I don't think I'm that amazing, but I will let you believe that. If you need that, oh, if you need something to believe about me, if you need something to keep without me, without me, without me, without me. Oh, I apologize for cutting you off from a life I have not been able to be. I've been getting sewn to the bed, I've been getting painted red, and
my love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me? I've been lonely lately, I've been feeling neglected, and I want you to show me. Can we get back on the same page tonight? Can we stay? And why don't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me. We don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. My love language is your love and affection. Won't you give some of it to me? Yeah, I need you present. Instead of giving me presents, you're not getting off that easily. Oh, when we get back on the same page tonight, we can stay. And why don't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. speaking my